Hello everyone, it has been a while, but now it's time. Time to get back into making videos. I'm so excited to first of all start making videos again, but also about this package I received. This is a brand new multimeter from Owon, released just moments ago. My contact at Owon asked if I'd like to receive one of these Owon OW18Bs for free and make a video about it. I like the Owon B35 a lot, and this is supposed to be similar but with some improvements. So I said yes. This video is just an unboxing, but I will make a review video later this month. This has Bluetooth, just like the B35. Box has some checkboxes for different options. This tells me this has Bluetooth and a transistor gain testing options, but no true RMS. But I do believe this actually does measure true RMS, but don't hold me to it. First there's a QR code which leads to download page on Owon's website, where you can get the app which is needed if you want to use the Bluetooth functionality. Basic set of probes. Leads don't have silicone insulation, which is kinda obvious in this price range. Oh bummer. This uses 9V batteries. There's no real reason why, but I like AA batteries more. Both are fine I guess. Just like B35, this one comes with alligator clips, which can be attached to the probes that came in the box. The thermocouple has color-coded plugs, which is nice. This specific model is suitable from -50 to +400 Celsius or -58 to +752 Fahrenheit. The multimeter itself has blue rubber holster and dark grey body, similar to other Owon multimeters. Wait, there's something else in the box. A small screwdriver that could be used while removing and installing the battery cover. Nothing special there. Moving on. What do we have here? A socket for transistors, usual set of buttons select, range, hold and relative, which also used to enable the Bluetooth. The selector switch snaps into positions okay. It does slide between positions, but it won't accidentally stop between two positions. At first look, no problems there. Even though the true RMS checkbox wasn't checked on the box, the meter itself has true RMS marking. And in case I hadn't said it before, this is 6000 count multimeter. Both current inputs are fused, like they should be. We will see what kind of uses this uses when I have time to do the actual review video. This has all the usual measurement modes, from voltage to resistance, from capacitance to temperature. There's also NCV, which is non-contact voltage detection. In that mode, the multimeter can be used to find live wire by holding the top of the case near them. Meter volt indicated by flashing lights and making beeps. Here on top there's also an LED which can be used as a flashlight in dark conditions. Overall, interesting multimeter. I've been told this should have similar or lower price than the B35 series. We will see what the final price on the consumer market is when this is more widely available. You can expect my Owon OW18B review to be published within this month. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.